Here we have the world's first 3D printed mansion. It's 3 floors high, and from this angle, it's kind of difficult to see that it's 3D printed because of the finishing on the exterior. But if you come with me to this side, you can see, like with all 3D printed buildings, it does have the layering structure on the sidewalls here. Now let's take a look inside. The inside of this building is very well fit for any homeowner. You have a 2-car garage. And then a small first floor washroom with a large dining area on the side here. Now in this dining area, you can see that these tables have been 3D printed with just a piece of glass on top, with room for your entire family to come for Thanksgiving. Winston's decided to decorate this first floor area with some beautiful fish tanks featuring arowana. And it looks like they're getting ready for dinner. This building's been outfitted with a full industrial kitchen, and as you can see, the chefs are cooking up a good meal. As we head upstairs, you can see where most of the bedrooms are. They've decided to put a lot of tables and office spaces in here, but these rooms could easily be converted into bedrooms. Now, you can see that Winston has made the design decision of having some drywall in the building, and I think that's mostly for aesthetic purposes. They've also included some of the original 3D printed foundation because that really demonstrates the core of what this building's made of. Here we have a smaller room that leads into another bedroom or office space. Which brings us out to the large porch. Is that an unfinished project over there? Or? It is? Is that unfinished?
Finished. Yeah, finished. That's a building, no steel.
Okay.
No steel. Yeah.
This building includes steel?
Yeah, it has steel, this building.
Here we have a large lounge area, which seems more like where a master bedroom could be, in my opinion. Small closet.
Yeah.
Into more bedrooms or office spaces, whichever you prefer.
Small.
In the closet.
Same.
More office spaces. This building has more rooms than they know what to do with. The third floor is really interesting. Up here we have the building's greenhouse.
Yeah.
They've developed a hydroponic system which can have plants all the way from seeds to foods that can be served in the kitchen downstairs. This whole space has been utilized very creatively. It's hot up here because there's no air conditioning, but that's not important for the plants. They're able to get natural sunlight through the moonroof. And some of that sunlight even gets down to the first and second floors through this moonlight here. What is this going to be for?
More house.
More house.
Yeah.
Up here you have the upper deck with a great view of the city and a nice breeze. And that concludes our tour. Thank you.